What? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Hi. How long were you there? I'm not talking to the banana again. Okay, maybe I was, but it's fine. Is it dark? Do I need light? How's that? Can you see me better? Okay, good deal. So today we're gonna do another cooking thing. Now this is something I've never made before, so this is gonna be really fun. My friend Diane sent me this idea, and it's called banana sushi. And while I'm talking about my friend Diane, shout out to her. She is a grocery store worker, and I want to say thank you to her and all the other awesome grocery store workers who are helping us out during these crazy times and who are working really hard to keep us eating yummy foods. So thank you. All right, so there's two different ways that you can make banana sushi. I'm going to show you those two different ways. So for the first one, you need a tortilla. And you can pick, there's basically whatever kind of spread you want to put on there. You can do peanut butter. You can do a hazelnut spread. If you're allergic to nuts, you can use like a soy butter or a sun butter. I'm thinking even yogurt could work if you want to use yogurt. So for the one I'm doing first, I'm going to use the hazelnut spread. So just want to grab a glob and spread it on your tortilla. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, so you just want to spread it all over your tortilla. Yum, yum, yum. Spreading, 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 spread that spread. Okay, here we go. Getting it all over there. This is really good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, and then it's super easy, guys. Super easy. What you do next? Okay, I'm gonna set that there. Close up my spread, and I'm gonna get my banana. Pop that guy open, and then you want to try to straighten it a little bit if you can, and then plop it right on your tortilla, and then you're just gonna wrap it up really tight. Okay, and then you just take a knife, probably a clean knife. This is the grown-up part. Then you just cut it. You'll see that one unrolled a little bit, but that's the end. So that's the ends there. All right. So I'm gonna just cut that up, and then look at that, a little sushi roll. I'll arrange these nice on a plate in a second and then show you. So you're just gonna cut all of those up. I will finish that in a second, so I can just show you the next one. Super easy. Get your next banana peeled, and then you'll want to cut that banana into little pieces as well. Should have used a cutting board. Okay, then what you'll want to do is get your peanut butter or whatever other thing you wanted to try, and then you just put peanut butter around the edge, and then you get to pick whatever toppings you want to put on here to mix it around in. So if you have like some rice cereal, or if you have chocolate chips, you can do that. If you have granola, you can do that. I've got some cereal here, so then you just roll it around in the cereal, so then your sides get covered. That doesn't look super pretty, but you get the point. So that is that. I'll make a couple other ones. I've also got some chocolate chips, and I made some, cut up some raspberries too beforehand, so we can do it that way as well. As you can see, I forgot to mention this before, I found my chef hat. That's super exciting. I just had to throw that out there. Okay, so I finished rolling up all of our banana sushi rolls, and voila. Oh, wait a second. Let me tilt this. Haha. Yay. Now I can show you. So there are our little sushi rolls. Yum, yum. Oh, there goes one sliding. Okay, and of course, every time you make something, you need to try it. So let's try one of the sushi rolls.